Traders everywhere are looking for them exclusive signal groups to help give them confidence and confirm their bias in trading. Now, whether you are just completely copying signal groups or you're using them to confirm the trade that you believe is going to be in a winning profit trade, then guys, SignalPeek.io is for you, because you don't have to spend thousands of dollars on 100 different groups. You can pay one-time fee and get it all there. Imagine it like Netflix. You don't have to go to the store anymore and buy 10,000 DVDs and watch all the films. You can pay a one-time fee to Netflix and get everything at your fingertips. It's the same as SignalPeek.io. I'm going to show you today how you can start this for absolutely free. That's not a trick. It's not a sales pitch. You can start for free, guys. And if you hit my affiliate link down below, yes, I will benefit a tiny bit, but you will also get a discount. So please, please make sure you support the channel and do that. Now, let's get into this. I'm going to show you in detail how you put a trade on TradingView, how you can check all the groups, how you can pay, everything you need to know about SignalPeek.io. Let's get into it. Note this disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. I'm doing it for your benefit, my benefit, and of course, everyone's benefit who just wants to make it in the trading world. Let's get it. So we're looking first at SignalPeek.io, the website that's going to give you the access to the free trial of everything I've been talking about in the introduction. This is your guide to crypto trading success. And you can see just by scrolling down, it tells you all about the exclusive crypto signal groups. Now, if you click on show all channels, you're going to see an enormous amount of groups on here. But what I'm actually going to do for you today, like I mentioned, I'm going to show you in depth some of these groups that work for me, some of the trades that have just gone on to show you that it's real, and how you can get everything you see on this page right now, all of these groups, for free for 1 day and then a one-time fee. And guys, that one-time fee is going to be highlighted here. All right, guys, I'm going to show you more of that as we go into the Telegram. So let's not waste time on the website. You can check this out at your own leisure. It's in the description. Let's hit start free trial and let's show you how this works. If you're struggling to grow your social media, there is one amazing platform out there that I've used and I know pretty much every single YouTuber has used. Now, that is the sponsor today. It's SMM Go. If you go to smmgo.io, you're going to see how you can change whatever social media business you have into a rocket ship. They're going to help you every single step of the way. You get real services with real speed and honest and transparent customer service. So guys, if you're looking to boost your social media and you just don't have the time or you just don't know how to do it, go to smmgo.io today, hit the link in description. But let's get back to the video. So guys, you can see on the left-hand side, I have crypto and forex. Okay, once you start your free trial, which I'll show you very soon, you're going to get the option to have crypto groups or forex groups. So let's go to the bot right now. Now, the first thing you're going to do, you're not going to see any of this. It's going to come up with the start menu. Okay, so I will activate the start menu for you right now. So once you press start, it's going to tell you you can get a free trial for 1 day, 1 month for $99, or a lifetime VIP fee for $350. That's a one-time fee, guys. All right. So you could do that by choosing whatever you want. I recommend everybody chooses the free trial because you're actually going to get access to everything completely free for 24 hours. If you click that, you're going to get the free trial. I obviously have the full membership because this has blown my mind for the last year. Okay, and it says you've unlocked the lifetime. So here we go, guys. All right, if you continue through this, guys, and click yes, all right, it's going to take you to where you can now pay with either OctaBot or CryptoBot. So remember this stage, I'm going to show you what is involved and then we come back to exactly how you pay. So with the crypto groups, okay, you can see we have all these notifications for all these groups. Now, Alex Friedman is my favorite and that's why I'm already up to date. All right, I actually take these trades pretty much every single day. There is a lot of other ones I use. You can see here the bull. As we scroll down, you see ones that are less, like Wasn't Up, okay? But you will come accustomed to the ones you like. So if we take Alex Friedman, this is one of my favorite groups, probably maybe the most profit so far. This is one of the crypto groups, all right? This is how a signal is sent. So signal is going to be sent W to USDT. Exchange that they trade it on or recommended is Bybit. It's got a long cross of 12.5x. Entry target is 0.073776, and you can see all the take profits right here. Now, I like it when I say to the moon because a lot of them actually do that. Stop loss, you can see here, guys. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm going to give you a little demonstration, but I'm not going to teach you how to trade. I'm just going to show you how you input this into TradingView for your data. So guys, go to tradingview.com if you want to check out some of these signals and see if they are profitable before you start putting your own money into it. All right, guys, so let's just put this signal in that I read out earlier into TradingView. So the first thing you're going to do is just type in the first symbol, which is before the brackets. So it's W. You can see here you got WUSDT, which is exactly what this says. Now, if you want to go completely with what they recommend on the exchange, you can actually find it on here. Okay, guys, you can see Bybit here with WUSDT. So we're staying on the exact form of what the signal is sending. All right, guys, so we're just checking out this trade. The first thing you're going to do, guys, once you've got the symbol, is you're going to find the time at the bottom that matches the time here. You can see 0132. We're going to go to 0132 here, which is around this mark. I'm actually going to go 5 symbols down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click this arrow and then go to long. Now, you're only going to choose long, guys, all right, if you are doing a long, and it says it right here. If you don't see this long and you see short, then of course, just go here and choose the short position. So this is now going to show green and red. That means that green is profit, red is loss, and we're going to check if this trade won. So let's go with the entry was 0.073776. That is 0.073776. Let's go up. Okay, you can see I'm moving this to 776, exactly there. So this mark here is where they're telling us to enter, but you can obviously see right now that this candle is not at that position. So we wouldn't have got in the trade yet. So what that means is we need to now wait until the trade gets to the point of entry. So let me mark a line out here. And guys, again, I'm not trying to teach you how to trade. I'm just trying to show you how to check the bias on trading. So this is our entry. This is the time that they told us to take it, which doesn't mean take it now at this time. It means enter once it reaches this level. They've seen the pattern. So we're going to wait and wait and wait until the candle reaches this blue line that they've told us to enter. It's entered now. So now we are in the trade. The next thing we've got to do, guys, all right, is have our stop loss, which is here, 0.0719. Okay, so we're going to drag this to 0.0719. Okay, and we're going to drag the top of the green now to the take profit. I always do stop loss first because I believe that stop loss is way more important. Okay, the take profit, let's just go with the first one, 0.07452. All right, we're going to drag that out, 452. Is exactly there. All right, so this is a very, very short trade. You can see here that they took the win. Now, if you want to go to the second one, let's draw a second long position. Okay, same entry point. This is what I like to do. All right, I like to have multiple versions on. Okay, and we're going to go to the second one, which is 0.75264. So let's drag that up to 0.75264. Right about here, guys. All right. Drag that out. It's the same stop loss every single time. Now you can see both trades were hit. So let's zoom out a little bit and see how much they actually went. Now, so number 1 got hit. Number 2, let's go with number 3 just for the sake of this. Let's go with a long position. Okay, same entry point. It's the same trade every single time. And let's go 0.075994. Right about here. And let's see if the trade did hit. Okay, same stop loss again. So now, guys, just on this last trade I'm showing you, all right, let's zoom into this a little bit. And you can even change the calendar, okay, to go to 4 hours. I like to do 4 hours once my trade's on. Okay, guys, so just dragging it out to 4 hours just so you can see how the trade played out. Over a period of when we entered, okay, from 4 a.m. all the way until 4 p.m., so a 12-hour trade, we actually managed to hit the top 3 targets. So we won trade 1, which ended here. We won trade 2, and then we won trade 3 right at that amount. So look how well they actually called this. Look at this. Okay, if I actually just delete this out, it just tapped the top of the red right here, which is absolutely insane. So we hit the 3 targets. Now I'm going to just tell you one tip that I like to do, okay? And this is not something that everyone needs to do. This is not something that is, again, I'm not teaching you how to do anything. I'm purely just helping in ways that I can. One thing I like to do is if we delete the second 2, okay, this is your trade. Now you don't need to put 3 separate trades on, because once this trade's on and you can see it moves up to the profit here, what I would extremely important that you learn stop loss trailing. That means we take the stop loss away. So now there is a 0% chance that I can go minus or lose money. Even if this trade was going to go down, okay, you can see that it would only break us even. It would just stop the trade out at 0. We would lose nothing, even when it comes up here. So you can see when this starts to grow, okay, it doesn't matter because now we have 0 break profit. And to go one step further, what I would actually do is set my stop loss, okay, in the future to go above. So once it gets to the next candle, which you can see here, now my stop loss is actually in profit. All right. That's a really, really cool thing to do. So you will never be losing money if you tap this up every time. You will just follow this up the chart as much as it goes. You keep following up just like this, and all this profit will be banked in your system. And guys, please go on YouTube, learn how to do trail stop losses. This is not me trying to teach you how to trade, but I hope that did give you an insight of how to use this inside of TradingView. So guys, there's literally hundreds of different groups in here, guys. They send trades, they all look a little bit different, so get familiar with it. That's what the free trial's for. If you're forex, if you're crypto, get in here, have a look. This is life-changing, and all you have to do, guys, go to that bot, follow the steps that I showed you, and then you're going to get back to what I said with the payments, OctaPay or CryptoBot. If you want to click OctaPay, it's going to open up an external link for you where you just follow the instructions and send your crypto. If you want to go with CryptoBot, it's a little bit more Telegram friendly. Okay, for those of you that love to stay on Telegram, you simply click start, carry on with the payment, choose the crypto you want, and then you will be redirected here. If you have any issues, guys, just message SignalPeek support and you will get looked after straight away. There you go, guys. Do me a huge favor. If this made no sense to you, please keep learning online before you put any money into anything. If it did make sense to you, go ahead, if you choose to, and get SignalPeek.io today. I know companies like this, once they get more popular, the prices skyrocket. So get in right now a lifetime fee where you're grandfathered in, like I am, and start using the markets to your advantage. See you next time after you hit that like, hit the subscribe, and hit that bell.